Their agility scores are up significantly this quarter. The enrichment plan is clearly working.
Good.
If we look at the Q3 projections here, the lysine adjustment has significantly improved the absorption rate.
Boy, just relax, we're almost done. You're doing great.
This visualization highlights the polysaccharide breakdown in the hindgut. The data confirms our hypothesis regarding the new dietary pellets.
As you can see from the model, the structural modifications have increased digestive efficiency by 20%.
Intake levels for 34 are consistent with the projection, Ben.
The algorithm is adjusting the protein ratio perfectly.
And the chewing sensor confirms the consumption pace.
Adjust the feed rate on automated station 3 by 5%. We need to optimize the schedule immediately.
The filtration system is maintaining water quality consistently. Intake levels are up 20%.
Yes, and the behavior.
You're doing wonderfully. Just relax, the scan will be over soon. Easy now, you're doing wonderfully.
Should I start the rotation?
Yes, go ahead.
Ben here, perimeter check complete.
Noted. The herd is very calm this afternoon.
Trough levels are optimized.
See this behavioral pattern spike. It happens every time the enrichment schedule changes.
Exactly. And look at the corresponding dip in nutrients.
The data projections confirm the need for this expansion. We anticipate a 20% increase in output.
This area here, Zone Gamma, is critical for the Q3 rollout. It integrates directly with the new automated.
The herd count is accurate so far. Good. Keep the flow steady through the scanner.
All tags registering correctly on this side.
Easy now, easy. Keep moving straight. That's it, right into the chute.
The heat maps confirm the sorting process is minimizing stress. We're seeing optimal movement patterns here.
Dispatch, this is Control. We are ahead of schedule. Send the next transport.
If we look at the graph here, the
optimized feeding schedule has improved the protein yield by nearly 20%.
That's a significant improvement, Doctor.
You're such a sweetheart, aren't you? Yes, you are. Such a gentle boy. Who's a good boy? Yes, you are. Such a sweet little guy.
The data suggests a 20% increase in output if we adjust the feeding schedule in Sector 4.
Agreed. The projections look solid. Let's move forward.
If we adjust the feed mixture by 2%, the output projections increase significantly.
Understood. Proceed with the adjustment across all sectors.
If we expand the enclosure here, we could increase the herd size by 20%.
Hydration levels are optimal. The system is working perfectly.
Base, this is Vince. System is nominal.
Wow, this looks amazing. What's in the sauce?
It's a secret recipe, but I can tell you it pairs perfectly with the meat.
We are committed to the highest standards of animal welfare here. Our chicken ensures their comfort and health.
The sheer scale is breathtaking. We estimate 10,000 in this sector alone.
Are the new water systems